Okay.
I'm Josh with Force Home Services. Today I want to go over some things that I've been running into a lot. A lot of these systems have high static pressure, and what I mean by high static pressure is your system has a high blood pressure. And the reason for this is a lot of these systems are lacking return. They do not have enough return, and the blower has too much restriction. A couple ways you can tell if your system is lacking return or not. If any of your return grills located on your ceiling or near your baseboards are making a howling noise, that's a good indication that your blower motor is struggling to draw air. And if it's struggling to draw air, then you're not getting enough air across that heat exchanger. And by the way, number one reason for a cracked heat exchanger is poor airflow. So there's some things that I kind of want to go over. On this system right here, this is going to be your return plenum. This is going to be your furnace. This is going to be your backward coil, and this is going to be your supply plenum. So your blower motor is right here, and your blower motor is drawing air from your return, and it's taking across your heat exchanger and across your coil and pulling out your supply plenum. Now there's a couple different things that cause a little restriction. Your backward coil, which is normal, and manufacturer has the blower motor set to that. But the main thing is when your system's struggling to draw air, whether it's from a dirty filter or restrictive return, it's not getting enough air, or it's not getting to spots across this heat exchanger. Now it doesn't matter how old your furnace is. We've ran across some systems where they've only been 3 years old and they have a cracked heat exchanger just from poor installation and a poor return. So, having enough return and enough supplies is very important too. I highly recommend that if you hear any howling coming out of your return grill, that you should immediately call a technician and have him look at your return and your supply.